ang problem lang natin ganito. Kaya minsan wala tayong extra income kasi hindi naman natin hindi gusto. So, desire to have an additional income, right? Then after that, kung magkakaroon ka ng additional income, compute mo. Mag-compute ka like 50K. Ilan? Diba? So, let's say magsimula ka muna sa 10K, then 20K a month. Hanggang in a year, nakuha mo yung 50K a month. Just an additional. Okay? Ito paano? So, lalo dito sa mga gustong mag-join sa aking team, message na kayo. Okay? Alright, hindi tayo ma-absent. But if you need to increase your business, 6 reasons why you should start your own business. As much as possible, you apply. Alright, so Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disong from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yung Dr. Gigi Disong. And sa lahat ng gusto mo pa-coach sa atin online, online muna tayo. And business consultation and how to start, improve your business. And if you want to enroll sa aking new course, how to start your first business. Sa lahat ng mga first time magnegosyo, message lang kayo 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Disong. Okay, so magkapi tayo. Maganda pag-usapan natin. At wala tayo ngayon sa ating vlog room. Nandito tayo sa Inspire, sa business partner natin, okay? Alright, so magkaroon tayo ng subukan natin mga gamit nila eh. Who knows, magkaroon tayo ng ganito, di ba? Just pray, then work for it, magkakaroon ka ng mga bagay na gusto mo. Okay, so how to earn 50,000? An extra 50,000 a month, okay? So sa lahat ng mga gusto magkaroon ng extra 50,000 a month, paano nga ba, Doc? So, kung meron ka ngayong, let's say, you are working, okay? Okay lang yan. So, meron kang business, okay lang. But if you want that extra 50,000, there are 4 ways na may sasuggest ko sa'yo, okay? How to earn an extra 50,000. So, simulan natin ha. This is just a sample computation na sana makatulong sa atin, okay? Alright, so first is, kung tayo nagko-coffee. Video mo nga ako para napopokus yung mga ano. Okay, so the first is you need to sell 16 items. Okay, so how to earn an extra 50,000 pesos? So first is sell 16 items. So 16 items, okay? So that's 53,000. Alam mo in doing in earning money, you need math. You need computation. Natutunan ko mula sa boss ko pa lang sa Upcast, mga pro. Like yung sinasabi sa amin, sa group namin, sa team namin, you need to know your numbers. Okay? So, if you want to earn additional money, kailangan marunong ko mag-compute. Paano yung computation? So, one of the ways is to, okay, so, any item na you will earn 3,000 pesos. Okay? So, pag multiply natin yan, lalabas dyan 50K. So, the first question is, Doc, saan ano may bebenta ko na kikita ko ng 3,000? Madami, okay? So, you can create your own product. Kung imposible naman, Doc, makapag-create ako ng product. Alam nyo ngayon, ito lang, 2 months ago, last month, we created an online course that cost 6,000, 3,000, ebook namin. So, you can do the same, okay? So, you can create your own product. So, pwede ka magkaroon ng ebook, online course, if you know one skill. Okay? Ito, mahirap nga yan. Okay, kung mahirap ganito, kung nahihirapan ka, you have to sell other people's products or services. You just join my team, okay? As simple as that. So, yun nga pala, you join our team. So, higit dyan siguro, magiging income mo yan, additional income. You join my sales team, so you just need to find 16. Baka pag sa team ko, hindi 16, mga kahit 10 lang, kahit 5 lang. You can earn this. Okay? So, the first way is you sell a product, okay, or sell other people's product. Okay? So, mag-compute ka. For example, bibigyan ka sa akin, if you join my team, let's say, for example, makabenta ka ng isa nating product or service like, you'll have 10,000 commission. I think that's the minimum. 10,000. So, ilan lang yan? 5, you need only 5 clients. 5, so 10,000. You need 5 clients para magkaroon ka ng 50K. Easy 50K sa aking team. Okay? O kahit sa ibang company na meron silang product, magpunta ka, I can be your sales team, pwede ako mag-join sa group, something like that. Okay? So that's the first. Second, Okay? Ito, hindi ako mahilig sa sales eh, pero gusto kong magkaroon ng 50K. Meron din tayong ano, yan, gamitin natin ha. Okay? So, ganito. Ang second is, try to identify your per hour rate. Okay? For example, ang per hour mo ay 300. Kasi if you're using your skill, baka mababa pa yan eh. Okay? Then, you need to work ng 166 hours for a month. So, for a month, hindi ko lang kung ilang hours yan per day, pero i-compute mo na lang. So, ang total po niyan, 0, parang 50K po yan. Nag-compute ako kanina eh. Tama ba ako? Kasi yun 16 lang eh. 16 tayo, so okay. Ito, you need to work for additional 166 hours a month naman po yan. A month. Kung ang rate mo ay 300, you can earn extra 50K. Okay? So, kung meron special skill, like nagtuturo ka ng mga baking, nagtuturo ka ng mga ganitong different skill, basketball, dancing, anything. So, you need to find your clients and work for 166 hours, you'll get additional 50K. Right? Okay. So, next is the third way. Like ako po, if you will be hiring me, magtuturo ako, siguro ang rate ko ay per hour. Papayag na ako kung magtuturo ako, isang company, hire mo ako, siguro mga 10,000. Hindi naman. Kung ano lang, may mga gano'n, makipag-bargain tayo, 3,000. Kung ano ba, doon ang rate ko lang, tingin ko 200. Magdagdag ka ng number of hours. Kung mataas naman ang rate mo, like, ikaw, pero kung pag ginawa kang dancer, magkano ang rate mo? Ay, choreographer.
Per hour, 1K per hour.
Oh, 1K pala, sige, mahal ka. So, ibig sabihin, kung 1K ka per hour, ilang hours ka lang? Mas bababa yung hours mo kung mas mataas yung per hour rate mo. So, kaya kaya mo pala kumita ng 50K yan para ng client. Kasi, ilang oras ka na magtuturo, di ba? So, pag okay na ulit.
1K to 500.
Oo, sabi mo 500. So, that's something, di ba? Mataki na rin yun. So, you don't need to work 166 hours. Alright? So, sa lahat mo gusto magkaroon ng extra income, you use your skill per hour ang rate mo. Okay? Next, third naman is, if you know something, may service kang ginagawa. For example, like, nagtuturo ka ng how to write an e-book, or nagko-coach ka, or any, you use your service. Service naman tayo. You need 25 clients. Kung ang rate mo ay 2,000. Okay? Kung 2,000, service. Okay? Di ba, minsan yung mga nagpipig sa bahay natin, mga nagagawa ng kung ano-ano, di ba? Yung jetmatic natin, yung mga gano'n-gano'n. So, if you are providing services, okay? So, you need, kung ang rate mo 2,000, you need 25 clients, so you have 50K. Okay? Next is, yan. Ano naman yan, Doc? You grow your YouTube channel. Okay, you can start it now. Yung binayaran po ako ni YouTube in 6 months. Okay, after 6 months, binayaran ako. Ang first payment sa ni YouTube is like $189. Then, nag-grow na siya as high as more than $1,000, gano'n. So, I think kaya mong kitain yung 50K. Start growing your own YouTube channel. Okay? So, yan yung these are ways. Meron, like kagabi, meron nagsabi sa akin ng proposal. Graphic designer siya. So, kikita siya sa akin like 3,000. 3,000 a month. Okay? So, ilang clients ang kailangan niya para maka-50K siya? 3,000 divided by 50 ilan? Then compute. So, something like that. Okay? So, ang sinasabi sa inyo ngayon, computation lang. Okay? Try to compute how much are you going to earn and how much clients or how many hours you need to have. Okay? So, ang problem lang natin ganito. Kaya minsan wala tayong extra income kasi hindi naman natin ginugusto. So, desire to have an additional income. Right? Then, after that, kung magkakaroon ka ng additional income, compute mo. Mag-compute ka like 50K. Ilan? Diba? So, let's say magsimula ka muna sa 10K, then 20K a month. Hanggang in a year, nakuha mo yung 50K a month. Just an additional. Okay? Ito paano? So, lalo sa mga gustong mag-join sa aking team, message na kayo. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin. kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago at mula natin buhay. Thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go, let's go.